Happy Makar Sankranti. So, in today's video, we are going to make a game for Makar Sankranti. So, we will remove Toby and upload our kite. Now, we will go to costume. We will select it and rotate it like this. Now, we will take eraser and erase its thread. Now, we will make our clouds by the paint tool. We will take circle tool. We will make a small circle. We will copy and paste it and put it here and make a big one. Now we will rectangle tool and make a rectangle here. Now we will select it and change its color to white and group it. Now we will take a start button. We will go to costumes. We will select it and fill color green and here we will select its border and change its color. And on swap we will take this. Now it's perfect. We will take text option and type here start, color black. We will increase that size and put it here. Now we will take a backdrop for sky. We will convert a vector and select it, increase its size. We will type here with the red color Happy Makar Sankranti. We will change it style to marker and increase its size. We will type here 2025 with orange color and place it here. Now we will do coding of our start button. We will take when green flag clicked, looks, show, say, click me to start. When the sprite clicked, hide, sounds, play sound pop. We will broadcast a message, start. Now we will go to our kite. We will change its size to 50. When green flag clicked, looks, show, motions, go to minus 209 and Y position minus 20. Set rotation style to don't rotate. Looks, switch backdrop to sky. forever loop, if then, key pressed space, we will change it to up arrow, change y by 10. We will duplicate it and here down arrow -10. We will duplicate it and place it here. We will take here change x by 10, right arrow key, duplicate it and here left arrow -10. We will take if then loop, sensing, touching clouds, hide, broadcast, new message, hide. Now we will make a the end screen. We will take rectangle tool and fill color black. We will make a rectangle and type here with red color the end. Increase its size and place it here. Now we will take switch backdrop to backdrop 1. We will take our sounds video game 2 and take oops. We will go to sound, play sound oops. We will make our variable score we will take set score to 0. Hide variable score. When green flag clicked, show variable score. Events. When I receive start. Forever loop. Sounds. Play with sound. Video game 2. When I receive start. Forever loop. Wait 1 second. Variables. Change score by 1. Now we will do coding of clouds. We will take when green flag clicked, go to x190 and y1 -20. Looks show when I receive start forever loop, create clone of myself. Wait 1 second. When I start as a clone, motions, go to X, 168. Operators pick random. 144. 2 minus 144. Forever loop. Change x by minus 5. If then sensing touching edge. Delete this clone. Cloud size 270. When I receive looks hide. Now it is ready. Let's see it. As you saw that our game is working properly. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.